What's going on, guys? It's your girl Edie-Marie back again with another video, another upload, another tutorial, another vlog for you. And today I did my version of Nando's Peri Peri chicken with the hot Peri Peri sauce, and you already know it was lit. So I can't wait to share this recipe with you guys. Follow me on Instagram at @TheRealEdie-Marie_ and subscribe to my channel. Click that noti bell and leave me some comments. I want to talk to y'all. What's up? Let's go. So guys, these are some of the ingredients that I have for the sauce. I have some minced garlic, black pepper, I have paprika, I have dried chilies. I have about 6 of these, and then I have these serrano chili peppers, which are really hot, so I probably won't use both. I probably use about 1.5. If you don't like anything spicy at all, if you want a milder version of the sauce, just skip the peppers or just use about 1. I have red onion, orange bell pepper. I have my brand of curry powder. This is my seasoning blend. This is my company, so of course, obviously, I'm gonna use that. Lemon powder, lemon, salt, and a piece of ginger. And also canola oil and vinegar. Shout out to Wegmans because that's where I got all this stuff from, except for these. I had these from Restaurant Depot. All right, so first, obviously, when you get fresh produce, you always want to kind of rinse it off because you come from the store, you don't know how many hands have touched it. So I kind of like to rinse them. So I'm rinsing the orange. So I'm gonna use my blender and use puree mode just to kind of get it more smooth because we want a smooth consistency for this sauce. So I'm gonna use puree mode so I can get it the smooth texture that I want.